In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the foot color in the Shopify Dawn theme. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to adjust your footer colors, how to pick from existing color schemes, and how to customize or even create a new scheme that matches your brand. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your themes. Your current theme will be listed at the top. Next to that active theme, click the option to edit the theme, which will open the theme editor where you can change how your store looks. Inside the theme editor, focus again on the left-hand panel. This panel shows all the sections on your page. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Footer and click on it. This opens up all the settings specific to your footer, including its styling options. At the top of these settings, you'll see something called Color Scheme. Click the drop-down next to it, and you'll see several preset options, usually named something like Scheme 1 through Scheme 5. These are predefined color combinations that Shopify gives you. When you click on a different color scheme, look over to the preview on the right side of the screen. This live preview will instantly show you how your footer changes with each scheme. Take a moment to click through them and see which one feels closest to the look you're going for. This is a great way to quickly test different styles without committing to anything yet. If you like one of the schemes but want to fine-tune it, go back to the color scheme drop-down on the left. Next to the scheme you currently have selected, you'll see an edit button. Click that. Here, you can customize a range of colors: the footer background, any background gradient, the text color, as well as colors for solid button backgrounds, button labels, outline buttons, and even shadows. Adjust these one at a time and keep an eye on the preview so you can see exactly how each change affects your footer. If you'd rather build a brand new look from scratch, click the back button at the top left of the panel. You'll now see an option called Add Scheme. Click this to create a new color scheme. You can then choose all your colors just like before, but this time it will be saved as its own reusable scheme. You can apply not only to the footer, but to other sections that support color schemes as well. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right of the screen and click there. This step is important so none of your changes are lost. After saving, your new footer color settings will be live on your store.